In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a vignette to your video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my video footage here, and we're going to go to Effects. If it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effects. And here we're going to search for Lumetri Color. When you found Lumetri Color, you can double-click it or just drag it on top of your footage here. And now that we've added it to our footage, we get this Lumetri Color effects option in the Effect Controls window, which also, if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effect Controls. And then here in the Lumetri Color, we can open the Vignette option. And if you want a white vignette, you're going to increase the amount to a positive number. As you can see now, we have a white vignette. If you want to have a black vignette, you're going to decrease the amount to a negative number. So now we have added a black vignette. So depending on what you want, you're going to add a positive or negative number. I think for this footage, a white vignette is better. And then you can decrease this midpoint to make your vignette larger, like this. And then you can also increase the feather amount, increase the feather amount to make it less defined. And also the roundness of the vignette can be adjusted here in roundness. And that's how you can easily add a vignette to your video footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.